let us talk about the big achievement.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm done the gym. Just leaving now. And hopefully Wayne got up to take the kids to school. But yeah, I had to get up early because I have a talk to do today. I'll tell you more in the car. Whew. Mercy me. I actually, as I say this, I got these as a gift from Low Shoe San. And I literally went in there yesterday and saw that they were selling them now, which is great. And they work really well. I had ice water in here from last night and the ice is still in there and it's cold. So that's good. I buy these little things on Amazon to cover the straw. Yeah, I know Wayne would have a field day with that, but that one actually makes a lot of sense. Anyway, I also did my nails and Shannon convinced me to get Gelix. I'm like, how am I gonna do anything? But I had a good workout and everything, so it's fine. Sometimes you have to switch it up. Why not? I used to wear my nails long all the time and then I stopped. I don't like to have long nails when I have babies either. And it's generally, I think, harder when you have kids because your fingers always up somebody's nose or taking matter out of them eye. Facts. I am on my way back home now because it's only 7:30. Normally I'd be just making it to the gym, but I'm leaving the gym and I actually prefer this time. I have a talk to do at a school today and I'm going to be talking about, the many different career paths that I have taken and the many different options that are out there and available to us all that are unconventional, kind of outside of the realm of doctor, lawyer, etc. And I'm really looking forward to that. So yeah, so if I can get Wayne to do all of the drop-offs in the morning, I would happily go to the gym at this time and then it could work, but I don't guarantee this can happen every day, but a girl can dream. Oh, look who just got back. We literally drove in at the same time. Good morning.
What up?
When people I wonder why you not come gym with me again,
People don't worry about me. I'm going to pick about
Somebody said it's me that make you not go in gym. I'm saying,
no,
what?
I can't manage 2 workouts in one day.
Yeah.
I play pickleball every single day.
Yeah.
People trust me, I improve. Anyone I know, whether they are foreign or they are Jamaica, will want a pickleball game, just drop it in the comment section. If you're not feeling bad, me and my son come for now. So guys, I woke up like a responsible parent, dropped the kids to school. We have a whole heap of up and down today. What your talk? Am I going to your talk?
No. I mean, I don't think.
No.
If you want to, you can, but
no, it's okay.
It'd be great if you did.
No.
It'd be amazing if you did, actually.
No.
Yeah. I have to go get ready quick though, because I have to take Ivy to school and then I'm gonna go.
You want me to go?
If you want, it'd be great.
I could go.
Okay, I get nervous when you're around.
It's true?
Yeah, a little bit. But we could both talk. Be interested.
No, if me not book for talk, but me not look and
I'm not booked. I'm
literally. Walk and look for you.
No, I'm literally just talking.
As a cameraman and your bodyguard.
I was just talking to students.
Which grade students?
I'm not sure.
Well, depending on the grade of students, I will come.
My bicep hurt me. Oopsie! So funny.
Hey.
Ready? Boopsie! Oh, you know what else? I was just telling her today is Zaya's birthday. She is 4.
Oh.
And tomorrow, Ayla is going to be 1. Isn't that crazy? Them born 1 and 2 people.
Wow,
yes.
That's so nice.
Yes, it's Big Zaya's birthday. I always say Zaya is our little baby that broke the spell because she was our first girl in the family. She's such magic. And then Ayla is just pumpkin pie. Ayla is a pumpkin pie. And then Ivy Bean is a kitten. Oopsie!
Who's kitten?
Oopsie! Careful when you get to know.
So guys, it's Zaya's birthday. It's also February the 1st. And a lot of people out there saying that January was the worst. People are saying that January was very testing, it was very turbulent, eventful. My question to you now, MTM family, how was your January? Because you know everybody life different. Not everybody would experience the month the same way. But them I said generally it was just very contentious and whole heap of controversial stories in the news. One bag of thing. Yeah, so tell me how your January went. If the year start right, if the year feel right. 2024, so there's no say I gotta bring plenty more. No worry about it even if you never have a great start. It's all about how we finish. So just continue eat up your spinach. Don't get diminished.
Yay.
Yay! Hi Shiggy.
You're a good girl. Kiss now. Kiss.
Hi Shiggy.
Big kiss. The next one. Big kiss.
Hi Shiggy.
You ready to go now? Want to go to school now?
No.
Get in the car. Come, let's get in the car.
She's not ready yet.
Right.
Alright, say bye Baba. Say bye bye.
Alright, wish me luck.
Okay, so you're going to do the talk and then you're gonna come back.
Yes.
And then
I
we're
have
gonna head to the award
we
ceremony.
have Jackson's award ceremony.
Yeah.
And then I have a meeting at 12. That's all I have planned right now.
Which meeting that at 12?
I have another thing. I'm actually going to be a part of a panel. So I'm in my talking era.
Okay.
I guess we'll go.
Motivational speaker era, you know.
Oh, please.
Make sure to tell
Oh my
the
gosh,
kids
it's February 1. Make sure to tell the kids.
that it's an ever-changing world,
Okay.
right? And they need to stay vigilant from now as to where their heart is pulling them, what direction.
Yes, from even now.
From even now.
'Cause
No
believe it
pressure,
or
you know.
not, Believe it or not, their life is already telling them where their strengths are.
Right, but things are changing with jobs, so don't make
Rapidly.
people dictate to them what to do because who knows, you know, like
Preaching to the choir here.
yeah.
Don't we know it?
All right,
All right. Thank you.
just a 1 point, you know what I'm saying?
It was on my list.
Okay.
I don't have a list. I'll add it. Thanks, babe.
We all know you don't have
You
a
should
list.
just, you know I don't. I was winging it. Just winging it. All right, some calm.
Even when you're winging it, make sure you're bringing it.
Okay guys, so I'm all done and it went really well and I had a good time. And now we are actually waiting in a parking lot to go to Jackson's little award ceremony. We're so proud of him. You guys remember I was telling you about how he came top 4 in his school for a competition that they had, and so yeah, today is the award ceremony, so I'm really proud of him and really happy for him. And he said, you and Dad are going to be there, right? And I was like, yes, absolutely. So
You know what's very impressive about Jackson is the fact that he came off Christmas holidays and just went straight to this thing. It was the first day of school. He wasn't like, you know,
In his
back
groove,
into the
yeah.
groove or anything.
yeah.
And I was praying for him. I was like, I hope he can bring it all together, you know. And here he gets this nice little
reward.
reward.
And the
he
reward is that you it's not that he's getting a reward. The reward for him is, whoa, he loves stuff like this. He loves like an award ceremony. Good for him.
He's a little genius. I wonder
Well,
where you get it from?
He's my little genius.
Where you get it from?
The both of us.
Whoa, guys, like over there, we'll have a little bit of time.
Do we? I feel like we need to go and situate ourselves.
Let us talk about the big achievement. Guys, let me tell you, we started out wanting to get to 5,000 subscribers.
500.
And then it was 10,000. And then we said, can we reach to 30? We'll make it to 30. I will say, yo, if we get to 50, a big something that, you know, we got to 50. You guys spread the word, push. We reached to 100K. That was a big day
deal.
for us, a big deal for us. And guys, here we are now. We'll push and we'll push. And we're at 250,000 subscribers, and that's a big deal. 250,000.
That's amazing. I cannot believe that.
Yeah.
And you know, when you always used to push for this, and I'm going to push it now, there's so many of you watching right now who haven't actually hit the subscribe button.
Real
and
talk.
it makes such a big difference when you do that. So if you haven't, please
subscribe
head over
right
and
now.
hit that button, because it makes a difference. And you know, it's just wonderful that we have this incredibly loving, caring community that we have built here together with you, and I couldn't be more grateful. It's almost 4 years in the making, and it surpassed every dream I could have ever had for it, and I know that there's more to come. So it's very exciting. Couldn't do it without all of you. So
Thanks,
thank you.
MTM family is as much a win for you guys as it is for us. 'Cause, you know, we build as a community and we bond as a community.
It's
so
true. It's
give
true.
thanks. Yeah.
MTM for life, y'all.
Yeah, MTM for
Hashtag
life.
MTM for life.
That is it.
So, all right, let us go celebrate our another achievement, and a reminder to celebrate all the wins, big and little.
Achievement over bereavement, you know.
I'm not forgetting the 4 more years at least.
How about 40 more?
Yes, scrap that.
All right, people.
Uh-oh.
People.
He definitely didn't get it from me.
People, me tell you, say she half mad, you know.
I'm not half mad. I'm tired and overworked.
Hold on, let me give the people in the drama. So we walk out of the car. First of all, I'm surprised that we get a parking. Come and say, alright, it's a whole event and thing. And so we say, alright, cool. Walk up to the place and we look.
Door lock.
Door lock, chain up, bolt up, ghost town. So I said, Tami, there's obviously no event keeping here at 11 o'clock, you know, 'cause it's 5 minutes to 11. Tami, right, let me check, it's probably not here. When Tami look, it's 24 hours to the event here. 24 hours to the event.
Well, yes.
So
it
she
is.
got a few details right, but the
A few
major
details
one.
wrong. Just the date. Guys, I thought it was in my calendar for today, and when I checked my calendar yesterday,
Not
I
a
must...
thing into the calendar. She just put it in her mind.
No, it was in my calendar.
I say, look, you like to
I
place
have to
things
put
in your mind.
Everything in the calendar. Okay, well, while we're here, I need to, Ozzy needs to dress up as an animal for school tomorrow, a real animal. So,
And Jax needs a recorder, so come.
and Jackson needs a recorder, so, yeah, we should probably do that. And I'm hungry. Oh, well, you win some, you lose some, you know?
You want to buy a patty?
Win. You see how hard me I work out at gym? No, thank you, sir. Wicked. As people, if they want patty, most of them might try. Look who we have here! It's our little kitty! Hi, Mommy! Did you have a good day? Ivy? You had a good day? Yes? No?
Okay. Ivy!
Aww, I love you. You getting camera shy? I love you. Yes? I love you. Yes? I love you too. Bye. I thought today was the day that we were supposed to go to your award ceremony. And I was like, I wonder if Jackson's at school like saying somebody need to call my mama. Because she got this all wrong.
I was like, well then, they must have known, right?
Yeah, I got there. And I was like, wrong day. But that's fine. That's something
It's
to look
tomorrow,
forward to.
I
It's
think.
tomorrow, yeah. How was you do?
I want to look at it. Mom,
Mm-hmm.
you have to get me to school earlier, because I have to practice my building. I have to build a robot in under 10 minutes.
Earlier than
Him
you
said
get
the
there?
robotics room open at 7.
You can leave with me when I go to the gym then.
Yeah.
Want you?
Oh my gosh, and just show me a scar on the knee. Wait, why it hurt my belly? You think that's right?
It hurt your belly?
It's battle scars, Mom.
Yeah,
One
that's
little
it.
scrape
You have to
and-
make the
when you
place when
play-
you make the place.
Yes.
Suppose something did really do it. It's just one little scratch.
G!
No, mommy, I
Don't
never
say
even
that.
went to nurse. You know what I did? I just get some paper towel, put it
What
over,
she
done.
doing?
Right?
Belly. She can't get up. It's an abs exercise. You see how she just lied down in your leg. She trying to just sit up. She can't sit up. Oh. Alright. Uh-oh.
I get it a drop again.
Uh-oh.
You're not one anymore. You 2, 3.
By the way, Zaya is 4 today. We need to pass by and say hi.
Wait,
It's her birthday? Yes.
Oh, so that's why you have the
Her
pupper.
party and Ada's birthday is tomorrow.
Wait, they're born on their apart?
Yes.
So you guys said happy birthday. No, we didn't say happy birthday. Oh, mine now. No!
Mommy baby.
Mommy, baby.
What you saying, Wayne? Where is he?
Matilel. He's watching a football game.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
No.
So, in celebration and in honor of, guess what, Momo? We reached 250,000 subscribers on MTM. The little channel that could. Can you believe that? Isn't that crazy? Come. Excellent. Ozzy, there is 250,000 more. Go! Go ahead!
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.